Guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and today I'm going to show you a new hard case wallet. And this new hard case wallet is slightly design wise is slightly new compared to the old design that I put up previously. This is much bigger, so you can access the cash in a much easier way instead of folding in such a way. It'll be in a half, folded just half will do. So it'll be much more easier to access to your cash when you open up the wallet in such a way. One thing downside is when you withdraw cash from ATM, you need to fold individually. So it takes more time. Usually I just put inside the wallet first. When I got time, when I sit down at a coffee shop or at home, I'll just pull it out and put individual notes. It will be much easier to access in such a way. For the credit card, as you can see, this is a sample credit card. Yep. And you can just pull out the cover and push on the holes at the back, and you'll be able to access the cards and pull out the cards accordingly. Ding ding, and use the card accordingly. Notice the coins, you can see through the holes, but it's not exactly at this layer. So before that, I just let you know, I've added a little tab here and a little tab over here. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can see the tab and the tab here. This is so that when you put in the cover, it'll be more rigid when you push on to the cover itself. And as usual, the same as previous design, there will be a finger hole for you to pull the cover up and slide out. And there is a stopper here to prevent the cover from moving out of the casing. So now comes to the special part. Yes, if you turn the wallet around, you can see that some coins here. And same thing, I can actually have a finger hole to push the cover up and push it out, or alternatively you can just pull out just like that. You don't need to put your finger down, just like that, boom, and you can just take out the cash. This is a layer over here that is adjustable. That means if there's no notes and cards at the back, you can actually push it down all the way and just put the coins here. There will be much more space here. But if the cards and coins is slightly thicker, you'll push out, forcing the coins upwards. And the benefits of putting the coins separately from the notes is much more accessible compared to previously. And you can just take your coins out just like that, and you don't need to rummaging through all the notes to get the cash. This way is much more accessible. Notice the noise level is less. There's a reason why, because I've put some silicone tape, self-adhesive tape that you can buy on Lazada or Shopee. This adhesive tape I cut according to size and put it on the cover itself as well. I'm not sure if you can see, and onto this movable layer inside. And you notice that I made a hole here that, let's say not a hole, it's actually what do you call that, a space, because of this stopper. I do not want the silicone tape to be blocked by this stopper over here. Same thing, that I have a tab over here in the middle, that I can actually stop the casing from pushing down, so it's much more harder and rigid, but it still remains a little bit soft. Okay, when the notes are thicker, the coins are pressed against the top cover, so it is less mobile, so it's less noise. You can notice this coin is actually pressed between the cover and the middle layer, and it's not coming down at all. All the holes are smaller than the smallest denomination of the Singapore coins, but yeah, you can design it in such a way that the holes are smaller than the smallest coins that you have in your country if you want to. All the files I'll put in the description below, the G code and the STL. But if you want to design your own, I can put in the open design for public for you to take a look. If you got any questions, just put in the description below. I try to answer as much as possible when possible. Right, so basically that's it for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.